related to what are all the ethics, legal opinions, and professional issues in information security. Yesterday, we have come across important objectives, needy, seek flow of general ideas, what the definition of a policy, and how the laws are which are going to be depicted. If you consider a laws irrespective of policy for the insecure data, for the insecure intruder, for the insecure system as well as network, and various laws which related to civil laws, criminal laws, private, public laws, how we can follow up certainly for the documentary evidence, each and every constraints. If you take a condition, so how we can just find out the various laws based on the category of the laws, and similarly some of the important relevant laws which were already from the technical organization, technical body. Then the privacy, you can say what are the privacy matters which related to, and similarly some crime laws, how we can just say various type of a content which are going to be make a duplication of a data, malfunction of a data, altering of a data, and what are all the state of an information which are available, especially for the intrusion, and how the privacy of the customer information, different laws, and similarly identity theft, which are from the Federal Firm Commissions Association. They formulated their own way. You have to be identify a person who are all involving and how the name has to be arise and what are the social security constraints, nomenclature, identification, so authentication, so, and is it any sort of a smart card usage? Example, credit card, debit card, diners card, Visa card, Master card, and with the permission, without the permission, how the frauds or the intruder are going to be find various type of a crimes level. So these are all some of the information from the Federal Trade Organization. Similarly, fraud and related activity, especially you have to be identify the documentation related which matters to be insecure. A layer, if you take a layer approaches from the physical security and then followed by network security, then the operational security and the system security. In all the cases, how this documental evidence identification, what sort of a process which are involving, authentication features. Of course, a user is known to the organization, user known to the entrepreneur firms, user is unknown, a third party is an agent to retail personality. Then these are the information which were discussed beginning with the references flow of an information, then you can say. Similarly, export and some of the laws which were created later like 1996. So then the Security and Freedom Through Encryption Act. That means to say there should be a flexibility even though what sort of a laws which are going to be governed in order to manage if this particular information somebody should not fair. Somebody should not alter. Somebody should not. It does not a matter of any person who are involving while transferring a data. That level of intimation and the documentary evidence initiated during the year 1999, the Security and Freedom Thought Encryption Act. And a different way you can proceed, a copyright law. See what will happen if any asset in the form of a system, in the form of a documentary, in the term of publication, so in the form of a chapter, whatever it may can say, intellectual property recognized as protected asset in the USA. See today, if you go for publishing any sort of a paper, if you are referring any image, if you are referring any audio and the video and the textual information, you have to give like a courtesy. Just example, I can give it to you. If any information, like in which way the Australia-India test, which are going to be at present Sydney, see they do some of the medias, they are not the authorized user to transmit this particular event which are going to be held at present, like first second day of the first test between India and Australia. But same while going for the news, they used to be said news headlines. What are all the processing and the level of the score happening in between India. Then they used to mention like copyright, a courtesy from who are all the authorized dealer taken for transmission. You can observe in any news channel. Like that way, if any documentation which are going to be copied from X to Y, A to B or M to N, or it may be the user, the second personality, a third person, there should be a law for that is called copyright law, which were initiated, which were originated from the government of USA and US government, and later with proper reply, you can say permissible to include portions of other work as a reference. So see, like we have to take a permission such a way that these are the information I am just taking to deal and consider as part of my work with your permission. We can say that those are the, and still further you might be knowing most of the information which related when initiated, what sort of a, you can say the evidence which related, then you can get into the complete official documentary evidence which are the policy matters. So you can get into the www.copyright.gov. That means to say the government counseling matter flow, which are all related copyright for the media, copyright for the publication, copyright for the book, copyright for the whatever it may be. Say there should be some sort of an articles and the abstract which are available, appendix which are available. You can go through. The financial reporting, especially, what it means to say is, if you take into consider what is an impact, what is an implication if you something goes wrong while stealing data, similarly, which are going to be insecure. And some of the acts which were started in the year 2002, Sarbanes acts. Similarly, which affects executive management of a publicly traded, whichever it may be, or it may be the organization or a firm involving executing a various type of resources within the organization, and there should be accountability. We can call it as auditing, accountability, administration. These three important. We can say three A's, AQ. One is administration, another one is accountability, third one is can call it as auditing. Is it exactly true? If something goes wrong and with the right person, the purchase for this particular correct no, system, what purpose, so how long which are going to be old, these are all you can call it as within the bracket administration, accountability and the auditing, and moreover which are going to be further understandable to improve a reliability and the accuracy of financial reporting, and which are going to be improve the accountability, especially who are working in that particular firm. Then government will automatically, corporate governance in publicly traded companies, especially today you see we have undertakings organizations are there. You have a public sectors which comes under the government of India, which are some of the entrepreneurs who are comes under the government of state, whatever it may be. union territory, correct? No, we can find out in all cases which are much more reliability and find a measuring accuracy with respect to the financial events also, and should be accountable in which way the flow of an exchange or the resource which are going to be useful certain extent. And later we can see some finance. Suppose something goes wrong, penalties for non-compliance range from fines to jail also. See, today I'll give a simple example to you. If you take any type of a purchase which are going to be take place in the department, in the university norms, if it's more than lakh, it has to go for the tender. Tender in the sense you have to be publicly, you have to make a tender. These are the item which are going to be purchased. Who are all interested, you have to give a technical for purchasing laptop or purchasing computer system, whatever it may be equipment, it's more than law. Then the public authority, who are all their vendors are there, they used to be, see, these are the certain procedures are there. The procedures are lacking, procedures are not following, procedures are completely deficiency, then which are correct. Now, what is an indication for the purpose of misusing the fund? That is called a penalties for incompliance, range from fines to jail and term. Correct. Now, various classes are there. Similarly, here also, if you go for not following certainly, we are in a domain. I'll give 192.168.3.1 is a gateway address. If this gateway address, once you are getting a permission from Internet Architecture Board, not directly from the internet, through overall the vendors are there. Domain know what, how many years of the service, so how many years of the annual maintenance, correct? No, if something goes wrong, then you have a penalty, correct? No, see what it means to say underline educational purpose usage, research and development uses. Other than that one, you'll start your own, correct? No, business type of a cyber cafe. Then you start the overall maybe user using, they come to know, then you are in the threat. You are in the different level of actions which are going to be taken from overall the authority given, because which are against the rules and the condition. We can call it a, these are all the reporting flow. For that one especially, one of the act which were initiated, Freedom of Information Act, more flexibility, initiated during 1966. They come to know if something goes wrong, which are making use for the purpose, allow access to federal agency records or information not determined to be matter of national security. See, we are living within the government organization. You have to follow certainly according to, correct? No, you can't say, no, this is my, I'm paying a tax to the government. I can do whatever it may be. Correct? No. Once while going towards the direct end, you have to follow left. You should not. Correct? No. These are all some of the way in which way the ethics and the myths which are there. No. If something goes wrong, then you are not following the information according to the national security flow. But these are the things which were started from the government of USA agency, some of the agencies, third party, and overall very intermediary between the user, where exactly the flow of an information which are going to be expected to be displayed, and overall the other in target end user level, in between acts like agencies. They used to be nominated, required to disclose any requested information upon the receipt of return request. See, I used to say, would like to use, I'll give an example. Suppose any sort of a VVIPs, they used to come, correct, automatically, they used to make a zero traffic. Might be come across zero traffic, that is a security, physical security. There should not be any problem from the public who are all moving president to. Similarly, Prime Minister, you might become across, same as it is. We can call it as return request. There should be return request. You can't say, I am the SP, Superintendent of Police, so I am the DYSP, I can do whatever it may be, my rules and regulation. My family is moving, I can take into consideration zero traffic. Impossible. But there should be return request from the public user, what purpose they used to. Similarly, we can give many more examples. suppose any sort of a companion which are going to be take place election, correct? No, they should not just go public, and they have to take a permission of the government. They have to take a permission of the deputy commissioner, controller, who are all the auditor. Then only they have to go for companion, because there should not be any disturbance. These are all the physical what. Similarly, here also with respect to the information flow which are going to be take place, there should be written via request to the respective authority organization. Some information protected from disclosure, chances are there, correct? No, you say that one, which should be not to be disclosed to anybody and should be matter of very confidential flow. And another important one is a digital millennium, copyright act. What it means to say is, because how the combine together, suppose digital signature, DigiLock, digital flow, which are all combined together, all effort to reduce impact of copyright in order to still minimize the flow of rules and regulations, so authentication. For that, the government of USA, or the USA contribution, they come up with the managing a minimum level and the optimization level, reduce various levels of impact of copyright to trademarks and privacy infringement, especially in which way, which are going to be violate, which are going to be depress those information act initiated, we can call it as Digital Millennium Copyright Act, DMCA. A response to the European Union Directive, once again, data 9546, a commission which is the European Commission, they have taken a protection to individual, not only the entrepreneurship, not only the organization, then they take an individual with regard processing and free movement of personal data. Suppose my data is going to be restricted to a specific personality of correct no, reach to the end user. Then they, whatever it may be, which are going to be happen to be, for that also they restricted and they drafted a very clear data for the individual changes. And you look at like a state and local regulation, these are all very, very important. If the formulations and the governing regulation, which are coming from the government organization, which are coming from the internal of the organization, whatever it may be, we can find out what sort of a restriction on organizational income computer technology use exists, not only within the country, outside the country, and state level, local level. So she will give. Suppose you would like to go for purchasing very, very secure devices which are very, very essential for the surveillance camera, I can say. Suppose something goes wrong. And is it only local, state, and worldwide who are all very popular to make a manufacture? They're popular to make a subscribe, popular to make a transmit, they're popular to use, provide a better user services, correct? No? These are all the things. From the local levels, then to the regional level, then to the state level, national level, international level. These are how we can easily, what sort of restrictions which are there organizing computer technology. Same manner, in case of information security professional also responsible for clearly more reliability with respect to the state regulations, and also make sure such a way that any organization have the corresponding compliant with regulations. See, if you make a complaint, there should be a policy codes are there. We can call it as IPC, Indian Penal Code, Indian Penal Code with respect to cyber crime, with respect to cyber security. As like suppose you say anything which goes wrong, drug which goes wrong through ragging, which goes wrong in attacking, which goes wrong in hacking, correct? No, every level, this the classes IPC, we can say Indian Penal Code in case of cyber security, IPC in case of social attack, correct? No, these are a standard level of regulation law. Similarly, how in case of a local, state to national, international laws and the legal bodies, especially IT professional and the information security practitioner should realize, come to know very clearly the particular organization, they have to go with their own execution of the business and the task on the God internet. They do business globally, not only locally, globally also, vice versa. They have a complete picture about how they can easily manage a different type of a laws and regulations as per the norms of the EIS. And professionals must be sensitive to laws and ethical values, many different cultures. So I told you very clearly, we are like a businessman who manager who software leader who similarly who are only leading of how the software project developmental activities. So there should be each and every person a clear cut, a process, procedures of each and every task. Correct? No, you are the systems analyst too. What task you are doing? We can call it as work sensitivity to according to the laws and the ethical values of many different cultures, so societies, so and countries. In which way the changes? Correct? Now today, you see within the country how the life of the man, human beings, which are going to be happening. But you move another any other countries, how they are correct now. The culture and the societies may differ, but the laws and ethical values must be very sensitive in come to the flow. And then what the agreement flow? We can call it as agreement trade related aspects of IPR, intellectual property rights. See, who are all teachers, who are all professors, who are all the advisors, who are all motivators, who are all inspires to the organization. We can call them as intellectual properties. As like an asset, a physical property, we can call it as infrastructure property. In order to make use, a fellows who are all to the resource and they give us a clear advice, guidelines to the society, what sort of a rights we can say created from WTO, World Trade Organization. See how the if you see the business, correct? No, if you go to the any provisional stores without scale, they are not supposed to do any business. They have to see weighing machine, compulsory. If somebody comes, oh, what's way you are measuring, how you are going to be assured this exactly this 1 kilo, 2 kilo, then there should be trade. There should be tax prescription for that one. E or C can't say it's my own. I can do whatever it may be. They have to follow certainly because in which way the trade organization have their own compliance, agreement, policy, regulations. First and the foremost significant in an international, especially in the international effort to protect intellectual property rights, which are according to the protocol strategies from the top to the bottom, they have to follow the task and the executable rights. Agreement covers 5 issues especially. If you say this particular document is an evidence, then what are all the design aspects? One among application of basic principles of trading systems and international intellectual property agreements. See what are the fundamental principles are very essentially required for going for trading. Minimum level of financial marketing. If something goes wrong, how long which are going to be sustainable? These are all the policy matter. They have to be follow certain. They have to pay some amount of deposit too. Then they have to go for making business. Similar fashion may in the case of intellectual property agreements also any specific there should be fundamentals basic principles are very essential as like in which way our day-to-day life in case of trading system also and the intellectual international property agreements. The first one. Second one, giving adequate protection to intellectual property. You have to give a very clear. He is a person of a system manager. She is a person of systems analyst too. He is a technical assistant too. He is a technical officer too. And she is a group leader too. Correct? No, each and every. There should be clear agreement adequate protection to IPRs. Enforcement of those rights by countries in their own territory. Correct? No, you have to say that one different state to state terrorists. Correct? No, how the effectiveness, how the usage of the resources. So correct. You can observe some sort of today in which way. If you move towards Pondicherry, I'll give an example in our case. If you move towards Kerala from this border of a Kasaragod, the changes of various type of policies. Similarly, move from Pondicherry. Pondicherry is in territory. There, how the changes. If you move to Chennai, somewhat different. Similarly, Goa, correct? Different places. If you just, I'm giving there the cultural and in which way the enforcement and territory they have their own, which may much more flexible, much more freedom, but which were not there in case of state. Settling intellectual property disputes. Suppose something goes wrong, which are in an event, not going to be work out any sort of a solution, this specific problem, then you have to be have a policy. Is it a article we are going to be generate? We can call it settling intellectual property disputes. And transitional agreement while new system is being introduced. Chances are there, correct? No. If you say you're purchasing like a gateway of a configuration of a device, sophisticated device of a Cisco company. Similarly, we are in a position to make you like Apple device. So you are positioned to make you like a Ethernet card which is compatible, correct? No. In all cases, which are a new a component. So which are a new idea which are going to be mitigated, then there should be a level of transitional agreement. See what will happen. Some of the standard level of an equipment for making use our day-to-day R&D, research and development, not available in the country, then in which we are going to be import from the export from that into our country, India, then there should be a transitional arrangement which are very, very essentially required for once we introduce new ideas and new information. Similarly, we can say another national charter, United Nations Charter, makes provision to a degree for information during information warfare. Suppose it look like a open space, it look like a level of the flow which are completely going to be insecure, then you have to make a provisions, you have to make some sort of eligibility level of enforcement in case of information security, especially during warfare. Information warfare in the sense highly, especially needy of the information security consists of all sort of a component which are going to be damaged information warfare. Then IWO, information warfare, involves use of information technology to conduct organized and lawful military operation. See how you can, today I can give an example how the farmer they are fighting one level since more than 20-25 stalling, even though winter season they are not in a position, but government is not understanding. Maybe there should be a mutual understanding between both of them. But if something goes wrong, they are not in a position to protect, they are not in a position to give a justification, then they have to go with a lawful military operations. Rapid course might be come across, correct? No, especially during the time of election time, physically might be come across. We are not in a position to manage a very full-fledged security, then we can make use of rapid force. The people they will come, they won't bother who X or Y or Z, who are all going to be make a violation, who are all going to be make intrusion, who are all going to be damaged the whole level of a security. Then there should be a law and order for that lawful military operation. Similarly, information warfare is relatively new type of warfare, although military has been conducting electronic warfare operation for decades. Today, we observe how our great soldiers who are all struggling in the border of our country, they don't have a food well in time, they don't have a sleep time, they don't have a rest time, but they're struggling a lot because of our safety and the security. How the conducting, because they used to be managed. in any sort of a signal which comes from the electronic radar. See, these are the very sensitive. They used to be attacked at any moment, correct? No, how they used to be alert, which were happened not today, one decades back. The changes are going to be take place, and which are very, very known to factor and beginning from United Nations Charter. And what are the ethics and the information security? We have to be understand standard level of objectives, commandments of a computer ethics, especially from the Computer Ethics Institute, though not to use a computer to harm other people. See, we are using a computer for the purpose of writing a program, which are very, very essential for my future career, and should not disturb, should not impact the other, correct? No? That is the first one. Use a computer to harm other people. Should not be. Even though you are to be say computer dependable, my work, computer is automatically very speedy, computer providing, maintaining all type of resources. But whatever the purpose you are going to make use, should not harm a public or a people, except for usage of a service for a future scope. Similarly, not interfere, unnecessary coming in between, we can call it interfere with other people's computer work. See, we are using, correct? No, very seriously. You are developing a project, you are going for how the software installation process. In between, we don't have an authority to unnecessary come and disturb to them, interfere, snoop around in other people's computer files. See what will happen. We'll take a permission, sir. I would like to work on the system, sir. Please let me know. Then once a person is not available during his absence, unnecessary just going through the files. What sort of a file? What are the folders are there? How we can call it as snooping. This snooping also not supposed to be entertained once you are using a people computer. Similarly, computer steal to steal. Use a computer to steal. You have to be very cautious. There should not be any sort of malfunction. There should not be any sort of a duplication. There should not be any steal of a flow, revoke, correct? No? From one system where you are using. And that indicates that one. These are also some standard level of a commandments. You can say commandments are an objective or essentially how you have to be cope up as per the standard norms of ethics of computer. Similarly, computer to bear false witness. See, no, sir, this is a very, very speedy one. It's able to store in terms of gigabyte, in terms of terabytes, in terms of exabyte, and you should not lie upon. And you have to be, if so happening, then you have to show a witness. There should be evidence. Copy or use priority based, proprietary, you can say third party. Today, like a Microsoft is a proprietary software for which you have not paid. See what will happen for a time being. For you can go for making use evaluation copy, trial version copy. Then, if you are very cautious about making use a license oriented one, a proprietary level software without paying money, then that is also one ethical way of not to be going to be harm is all computing environment. Similarly, not use other people's computer resource without authorization or proper compensation. You have to vary. See, I used to be high river system. If so, what is a normal procedure which are you have to write a letter, then during the time, whatever the time bound is fixed, is it what money and the financial matter which are going to be discussed with them. These are all completed. Authorization. Without the authorization, we are not supposed to change system. And also proper compensation. That means to say, for the usage of a computer, there should be correct no the monetary benefit. If that is the case, what is a monetary benefit is called a compensation, proper compensation. Similarly, not appropriate other people's intellectual output. See, we have a user, you are in a folder, you are in the system. You should not ask for intellectual output, correct? No, that is also should not appropriate to other people, other users. So you are using, I would like to, these are all copyright issues, design aspects. Similarly, think about the social consequences of a program you are writing or a system you are designing. See, I can say, I can plan for these are the programs better than Python, these are all the design aspects better than MATLAB, and which are going to be cope for artificial intelligence, machine learning. You explain, you can what blah blah, but you have to be think very clearly what are the social consequences of the program which are going to be perform any sort of an application task, and you say writing or the system for designing. There should be a should not be any social consequences approaches, and always use a computer in ways that ensure a consideration and respect for your fellow humans. That's very, very important. Correct now. You have to respect your duty, you respect your responsibility, you respect your teaching professional. You should don't worry about. Correct. That means saluting a people. You are not taking class, no use at all. These are the standard level of ethics and the information security, as like in which way is fine ethics and the myths for the other, and how which are differences across the countries, you can say a different various cultures, across cultures, ethical differences across cultures create difficulty in determining what is and what is not ethical. It will say very clearly different from the the way in which we ourselves making use, the way in which we ourselves usage, the way in which we ourselves processing. These are some sort of a standard activities to be act like a culture. And difficulties arise when one nationality's ethical behavior conflict with the ethics of another nationality. Chance today you see Nepali, Manipuri, Himachal Pradesh people, we can say Northeast, more or less correct now. How difficulties arise when one national ethical behavior conflict with ethics of another national. Automatically, these are very, very important factors you have to be. Should not be any sort of impact. Some of the examples, many of the ways in which Asian cultures use computer technology is considered software piracy by other nations. Might be come across like a Microsoft Bill Gates product, available open source related information now, available most of the freeware, shareware type of a software. So, which are restricted within the country domain, but how which are going to be useful for the other country. We can say how the flow of the difficulties arise when one nationality ethical behavior conflict with ethicals of another. I mean to say both are same, which are going to be, that's an indication. And ethics and the education, because both are is, both are level of identity to how we can live, which are very, very essential. You have to take the degree. If you are taking a degree, overriding a factor in leveling ethical perceptions within a small population is education. And employees must be trained in expected behavior of the ethical employee, especially in the areas of information. You can come across very clearly the areas of the flow, ultimately provide an extension knowledge, how they used to be trained, how they used to be formulate, understand, and deliver the flow of an information. Similarly, proper ethical training vital to create information well prepared manner, low risk system usage. These are comes to a picture very clearly both in case of ethics and also education. And what are all the unethical and illegal behavior detersion? You can say that three general causes of unethical and illegal behavior is negligence, ignorance, accident, intend not to be. Correct? No, I say it's not my work, somebody's work. Correct? No, I used to say through. Use these are all the factors. Three general causes of unethical, illegal. If you ourselves working in the organization, if you ourselves working in the organization, you have to be caution. It is my own property, my responsibility, my work culture, everything you have to be understand thoroughly. A deterrence, best method for preventing an illegal and unethical activities. Correct? No? There should be a privacy. There should be how the policy matter which are going to be come up, laws or policies or technical controls or technological aspect which are going to be relevant. We can say deterrence. Laws and policies only deter if three conditions are present. We say that one, you have to pay the penalty. You are not in a position to play before, then fear of penalty, probability of being a caught, chances of once again you have to produce to the court, produce in front of the judiciary, probability of penalty being administered. You say that one. If you go for losing, correct, no? After making any sort of a ethical and illegal activities, we are going to be punish. Similarly, these are all the punishment as according to the IPC penal code. These are all various other type of laws and policies you can make a deter to any sort of an extent. Codes of ethics and the professional organization. Today, we can find out several different professional organization used to be established in with related to the how the conductivity, how the conduction of the training program ethics which related establishing and available today. Codes of ethics can have a positive effect. That means to say there should be a remark which are going to be realized, remarks which are going to be reduced easily. Unfortunately, many employers do not encourage joining these professional organizations. Today, we take how the some of the ethics flow of an information, especially in case of information security, especially like a Microsoft certificate to network certificate to network administrator, correct? No? With the certificate, then we have some changes, not only gain a knowledge, in a degree, we have some sort of a discipline, we have some sort of a positive effect we can gain from this professional organization. Responsibility of a security professional to act ethically and accordingly to the policies of employer professional organization. And these are the various society or the social information flow to be well established one to another. And Association of Computing Machinery, ACM, this is very, very important. Today, the association which makes a policy matter for the ethics and the myths which were established great during our independence. ACM established 1940 as World First Educational Scientific Computing Society. Today also, we have a different chapter. So we have a technical design aspect. So ACM, which comes with respect to IEEE, which comes with respect to the Scopus, which comes with respect to the citation, which comes with respect to various type of student policies. ACM is a well established a worldwide educational and scientific computing society. You can call it the Association of Computing Machinery, ACM. You can see just when going through that one, you can get a various literal flow of an exchange to understand. And Code of Ethics contains a various reference to protecting information very confidentially, causing there should not be any negative impact to the society, protecting others' privacy and respecting others' intellectual property which are going to be usable. These are some of the standard level of a code of ethics. Suppose you say I'm going to be design my own code which are going to be insist better than HTTPS, then you have to give your idea. There should not be any problem, any harm, any protecting, correct? No? The privacy matter should not going to be affected already existing. You have to give an outcome, an objective, how the flow of an information going to be. Last 1 or 2 minutes, I'll wind up, please, because today will take a long time, need not worry. Then finally, the International Information System Security Certificate Consortium. This is also another generic body which acts like a non-profit organization. No? That means that there is no financial support from any government or focusing on development and implementation of information security certification and credential. If any sort of a changes which are going to be take place, a supporting technical component for the security there. Code primary designed for information security professionals. So we have certification from IC today like security, computing security, cyber security, cyber attack, cyber crime. So defining various other programs are venturing. You think about code of ethics focus on four mandatory levels. One is like system administration, networking, and security institute. One is system administration, how we can easily manage, configure, use for user management too, and which are going to be managed for various type of a components easily admiring, and similarly how which are going to be managed with a reliable network, how which are going to be very useful security issue. Professional organization with a large membership dedicated to the protection of information and systems. So similarly, Global Information Assurance Certification, so which offers as a part and the other organizational certification like SANS. SANS, once again, what means is systems, administration, network, and the security. All four. How the systems administration, network administration, and the security administration, which are going to be certified from the Global Information Assurance Certificate. And another important like audit, I told you very clearly, information systems auditing, information system accounting, this also control associate. You can call it as ISACA, Information Systems Audit and Accounting Association. Professional association with focus on auditing, controlling, and security, and especially for information technology control practices. There should be a standard as per the norms of the ISO, as per the norms of the IEEE, as per the norms of the ethical policy matters which comes and which are highly professional, And similarly, information system security association, non-profit society of information security, primary mission to bring together qualified information security practitioner who are all exposure, who are all a good in the security, who are all making a policy matter, who are all making ethical flow of information exchange and the educational development too. You can say finally ISC square and similarly system administration, networking, and how the administration, computing machinery, these are various levels of the options who are there. Finally, some of the US federal agencies like a DHS, Department of Homeland Security, Federal Bureau of Investigation, National Infograph Program, so NSA, this is like NSI, National System Information, National Security Agency, so and secret of services. So, and finally, I would like to conclude my talk today. Like, what are all the laws, rules that mandate, protect, very essentially required privacy, behavior in society, and which are going to be very make sure this particular ethical flow are very essential. Similarly, ethics define socially accepted various type of properties which are acts like a behaviors based on a different culture, especially moral attitudes and customization, and you can say consider a community based. These are all types of law. We have a category based on the different behavior. One is a civil, criminal, private, public, and what are all the laws which are relevant US government and later followed by the global level and the local level. Beginning from one to another, we have a different, many organizations have a codes of a conduct and how the ethical flow of an information which are a policy matter, how the known factors. These are all completes my talk which related to the legal, ethical, and professional issues in information security. If you have any type of a questions, let me know, and we'll discuss in next class what are all the next aspects which are related to our syllabus. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know any of your queries. Have a good day. Overall, present, you are following, all of you. Amit, Akshata,
Yes, sir.
Vedavati, I think today you have taken 1 hour very correct now. Huh? I think I'm very sorry because your network resources are making very harmful, and your body also, and also whatever gesture and the posture in front of the system using like a tiny devices or the desktop or a palm top or a laptop. Very sorry, the condition is like that way. You have to go according to the position. Huh? I'm very thankful to you. We'll meet the next class on I think so, hopefully on 24th. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank
Have a good day. We'll meet next day, next class. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I'll close the session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.